Rachel and Drew from Bags Unlimited here. We want to show you one of our new product lines, which is our original comic book art frames and mat boards. They come in different sizes. And so, of course, we cut all this mat board and the frames right in-house here in upstate New York. And all of these are going to preserve your products beautifully and display them as well. So there we have it. In less than 5 minutes, you have your archival grade original art comic book frame ready to hang up and display beautifully in your home. Thank you so much. The original comic book art frames, and we make them right here. Drew makes them right here in upstate New York, and with United States products.
Yeah.
Can you see that?